Hello everyone and welcome back to the Chibi Cornet YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the artist Loft Gouache set. I'm going to be going pretty fast, so please try and keep up to the best of your abilities. So first of all, the great thing about this set is that I really do like its colors. I think they're pretty bold, particularly this Prussian blue that you see right now. It's super great, super pretty. And towards the bottom I tried and blending it out with cerulean blue. As you can see, I can't really get a smooth look to the background, and this could just be a personal problem for me, but it was really hard for me to get a clean, flat color. And I know that gouache, particularly like the Himamiya gouache that a lot of artists are using right now, they can get like a smooth looking flat color. Yeah, that's kind of hard with this gouache. I'm trying not to blame it on the brand or anything like that, and I do apologize if it sounds like that, but I don't know. I could be using it wrong. Maybe I'm getting the consistency of it wrong. But getting a solid, smooth color, if you want a smooth painting, definitely this isn't the gouache for you. But if you like this sort of brush stroke, streaky look, this vibe, then totally get it. I mean, this is by far my second favorite gouache painting that I've done, and I really like it because the streakiness adds kind of like a windswept look, like another kind of movement to the clouds, and I really like that. But in a regular setting, like if I were doing a still life painting, I don't think I would appreciate the streakiness of this painting as much. But to be fair, I don't use gouache often, so I'm very inexperienced. Maybe for a more experienced gouache user, they would probably have far better luck on how to better handle this medium. So a little bit about the paint itself. This is an old set that I got, but I feel like they dry out kind of fast. For some of them, I felt like, I don't know, there must have been a hole in there, or maybe I didn't close the cap tight enough, but it just dried out the tube super fast. If you use the gouache often, I'm sure that you wouldn't run into this problem, but I did. So I'm just letting you know, if you're the type of person who likes to dabble in a lot of medium and kind of lets them sit out for a while, that might happen. If you just cut open the tubes and get to the pigment like that, that's okay. But oh yeah, that part. So whenever you squeeze out the pigment onto like your plate or whatever you're putting the paints on, it dries out so fast. Like, I was squeezing out a little bit of white and that thing dried out in like 15 seconds. No lie, I was so surprised. I was like, what in the heck? Because here I was thinking like I wasn't painting that slow, but I guess I was painting too slow for this gouache. Anyway, so that part kind of sucks, and it kind of crumbles, like it doesn't stay in a solid form, so that part sucks. But you know what, if you're determined enough, then you can make anything work. So if this is the type of gouache that you want to just play around with, by all means, I think that it's great. Like it'll definitely make you kind of loosen up and not think about being precise. I think it's a fun medium for that, or this brand is anyway. If you're looking for a smoother looking painting, then I would definitely recommend that you try a different brand and stay away from Artist Loft. But you know, if you just want to play around, like seriously, like you're a beginner and you just want a gouache set, but like you're scared to get an expensive set or something like that, then get it. I mean, you'll learn a lot from using a material, and you know what they say, it's not the tool's fault if you don't know how to use it. It's more of the artist that can. So anyway, that's my 2 cents on this paint. I hope that this wasn't too crazy of a video to listen to, but anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys real soon. Goodbye.